Jason Atkinson, fantastic to see you. You are the technical director of Byworth Boilers. This is quite a hefty sized firm, and you're making your boilers here in Britain.
Yeah, our boilers, from raw material to full equipment, we manufacture in Keighley, West Yorkshire, and I've been since 1968 for various iterations, yeah.
How important is it to make these boilers in Britain?
Just looking after the local economy, employing young people, apprenticeships, etc., and just putting that skill back into the local areas and just maintaining manufacturing in the UK.
And tell us about the boilers. What's special about them to you?
So our boilers are used in sort of large process heat and steam usage, and they're important. It's a family-made product design, etc.
Give us a sense of the sheer size of these boilers, because they're not your regular domestic boiler, are they?
No, we do get a lot of phone calls from people asking to service regular boilers, but no, we go for anything from say a small car, a Fiesta, up to the size of say a semi-detached house, in terms of size and scale, yeah.
And how on earth do you actually manufacture a boiler the size of a semi-detached house?
Just a lot of heavy machinery, a lot of hard work, a lot of labour, and yeah, just a lot of old-fashioned manufacturing skills. One of our main manufacturing floors, just down there, if I could see right, just the boiler there, and a few more just coming around there. So we're a business who've kind of grown from building to building, and that'll be one of the original buildings from back in the 80s, I think, that were built.
Is it hard work what you do?
Yeah, it's hard work. Yeah, very labour intensive, hard work. Yeah, competitive industry. Some good competitors out there, but yeah, I think the work is yeah old school manufacturing.
You're an award-winning business. Tell us a little bit about the boilers.
So some of the most energy efficient in the UK. We've expanded out from the vessel, so we've got 3-pass boiler Yorkshireman, and then we're expanded out to unit control systems, generating further efficiencies for customers, which directly affect their processes and operations.
Do you use the logo on your product?
Yeah, the product's used throughout the business. You can see in the background. It goes out on all our products, on all our literature, etc. So yeah, we're very proud of using the mark.
Do you export?
Yeah, we export to the Middle East, Bangladesh, and out to Ireland.
I can see the Made in Britain logo loud and proud as your backdrop. How much does it mean to you to be part of Made in Britain?
The group is good at promoting British interests, British manufacturing, and getting it out there in terms of the word of some of the incredible businesses and innovation we have in the UK, which I think gets lost sometimes in the noise. I think there's some incredible manufacturing businesses doing some incredible things in the UK. Yeah, Made in Britain really push that to the forward. So I started as electrical apprentice, moved away through the business, service engineer, etc. Now a technical director. Yeah, so I kind of using that experience I've had through the industry and through the business, implementing that now from top down.
What does leadership mean to you?
Supporting the people who work for you and supporting the business and making sure that it is sustainable moving forward and changing with the times. Yeah, and just allowing people to be their best.
Is there a real sense of satisfaction and fulfillment for you personally that you've risen up from being an apprentice to holding the position of responsibility you do now?
Yeah, I think it's good that I can offer the same opportunities I were offered as a young person into a career path, and seeing the apprenticeship schemes we do and the young people we bring through the business, just seeing them develop in the same kind of way that I were allowed to do when I was younger.
What do you feel like when you get up in the morning? Do you feel like you're making a contribution to the company, to your country?
Yeah, contribution to the country, the local area, the people who work in the business as well, and just making things. If you don't manufacture out, you don't have anything, and yeah, and just kind of really pushing that engineering skill set.
And I imagine your role as technical director involves being hands-on to an extent, but you're also thinking up new ideas. You're designing products.
Yeah, there's a lot of hands-on, a lot of working with the teams to improve the product, but then also looking at what's the next step, what's the next thing to do. So looking further forward to like hydrogen, electric in the future.
And give us a little bit more on the sustainability side of your business.
Yeah, so we're always looking at improving our products, reducing the need on fossil fuels, reducing the need to use oil and gas, and then in the factory looking at ways to reduce our energy usage through these solar panels, etc., down to kind of cars, etc. as well.
Family-made product.
Family-made product, yeah. Family-made product, family-made design. It's third-generation family now. So Dennis Baldwin founded the company. His son Peter sort of progressed it and moved on to the higher side. And his grandson Rob is now managing director of Byworth Boilers Limited. Yeah.
Is there a real pride in making these boilers in West Yorkshire, making them in Britain?
Yeah. Maintaining manufacturing in Britain, manufacturing in Keighley, supporting the teams, supporting the families, and all the local suppliers. Yeah.
And the family element to the business, that's really important, is it?
It's important, yeah, and it stars that feeling, and just having that family element means that it just feels a bit more tight knit, and choices and decisions can be made a lot quicker.
I think I can hear a boiler being manufactured in the background.
Yeah, you will, yeah.
Jason Atkinson, brilliant to speak to you.
No problem, thank you.